Hello, I'm going to show you how to play the Morchang. It's called the Juice Harp or Jaw Harp, the same thing really. So I'm going to show you how to grip it first. So you're going to hold it like a pen. This pointy bit is pointing away from you and you're holding it like a pen with your right hand. If you're a left-handed person, maybe you'll hold it like a pen with your left hand. You know, that'll something like that. But yeah, so when you hold it like this, you're gonna wanna pull your hand back till it becomes a grip like this. Your thumb must rest on here. That's the main thing you're going to. Your thumb must rest here, and your index finger just rests here on this ridge. Okay, I'll show you that again from the back. That is the grip you should be going for. Placement. I use these three teeth to play. This one, and then this one, and this one. So it's gonna be in between like that. And that's how you have to go. Like that. And a little bit of a safety tip, don't let the soft parts of your mouth go into the hard stuff of your mouth. Like your tongue shouldn't go in between your teeth or the morchang, and your lips shouldn't go in between your teeth or the morchang. This morchang belongs to my grandfather. He passed away in 2021 sadly. And don't mute this reed like back here with your lip. That tends to happen, and that sounds like this when you do that. See how much better it sounds now? And don't bite it too hard, like just it shouldn't hurt if you do that. If it's hurting your finger, it's not gonna play well on the morchang. That's a good rule of thumb. And how you like, finger the morchang sounds weird, but most people like professional people like do this kind of motion. I don't know how to do that, but these parts of my finger, this is my left hand, and this part of my finger is really hard, but this parts are really soft. I just use the hard part like this. And when I play it back like that, I just use this part that's hard. This part. It makes an amazing pointing device, doesn't it? Sorry, I got a bit carried away. But yeah, how to make sounds with it? Just use your tongue for beginners. What I'm doing there is pushing my tongue forward, like oi, 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 oi. What I'm doing for that is just doing the same motion in reverse, like yo, yo, like that. And you can also do A and E's and O's. That would be an oo. That would be an A. It doesn't sound very good on the iron harp because it's really like stiff. And which one was the other one? A E E I think. Also, when you're playing, like your lips should like rest like this, not like this, but like this. And then eventually you can use your whole mouth by like pushing it like inward and inward and inward. So if you're a beginner, just start from here and then go to here. It's a very funny sounding instrument. I love this. And thanks for watching. Bye.